Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today's topic is about Shatavari. So, Shatavari is a very important drug in Ayurveda. It is having the property of Shitavirya. So, it will makes a normalcy in Vata and Pitta disorders and especially Rakta disorders. It helps very much in our body in these vikaras. It is Shatavari is having Rasayana property, anti-aging property means rejuvenating property. It helps to the portion of Sapta Dhatus in our body, and mainly people are having some doubts about Shatavari. So many gents are coming and asking that okay, Shatavari is only for ladies, so can't we take is anything is there, it can only be taken for ladies like that. So it's not the thing. Shatavari is a great nervine tonic, so gents can also take this, no problem. And it is told that it is a gym supplement. Okay, so if you are having any problems with nerves, neurological disorders, or if you are a regular regular, you are going regular in gym and all, then you can take this Shatavari. Then next is if you are having if gents are having any some problems with the sperm in the motility or sperm quality and all, then they can take. For infertility cases also it helps a very lot. Shatavari is told as Deepana. Deepana means for increasing the digestive fire, and it is Gulmajit. If in our body some tumors are there, then it can be reduced by this Shatavari. And the main function of Shatavari is Stanyada. Stanyada means for increasing the milk production after delivery. It plays an important role for the milk production in the body of ladies. So it is already taken in the after postnatal cases and all, and also for heavy bleeding during the periods. It is taken, and any period related issue they can take these medicines. And for infertility cases in ladies also it can be taken. For menopausal time also this medicine is very much prescribed. And it is also called as Medhya. Medhya means what it is? It is a Medhya means it is good for intelligence, for our brain, and it increases the immunity of our body. It is a, very effective in decreasing the burning sensation of our body. It can also decrease the acidity, burning sensation. Many people, many ladies and gents are coming and telling that their body is getting so much heat, especially during the menopausal period. Also ladies are telling that. And overall, if your body is having so much heat, then you can take this Shatavari. It will make your body coolant. So it is a great medicine. And it also a Vrana Ropaka medicine. If you are having any ulcers or Vrana something in your body, it helps to heal the those ulcers in your body. And it is also a Chakshusha. Chakshusha means very helpful for your high eyes, for increasing your power and all, means for good vision. It is a very helpful medicine. Then it is also good for liver functions. Also for diabetes patients also Shatavari can be taken, but you should check with your doctor, and then only you can take this medicine. Then next use is for white discharge. If you're having leukorrhea and all, then those patients can also consume. And if you are getting some continuous urinary tract infections or burning maturation or hematuria like conditions, also this medicine is very useful. And if you are having any low back ache and all, it is a nervine tonic too. If you're having any anxiety, epilepsy problems, fits and all, then this medicine is very much useful. And in the during the menopause session also, in that time also patients will be getting severe sweating and all, and very much body heat also will be there. So for those condition also this medicine is very helpful. In the bleeding disorders, like nasal bleeding or rectal bleeding, or during the bleeding in the periods also, this medicine is very useful. It is useful in diarrhea cases also. it will be a relieving medicine, and like that it will helps to decrease the swelling in our body. And for Shatashina Jita means it is also helpful for the tiredness of our body, or if you are having more tiredness in your body, you can take this medicine. For insomnia cases means if you are having any sleep problems, then also you can take this medicine. And like that only, if you're having any chronic respiratory diseases like TB and all, this medicine is very much useful. So in those cases also you can take this medicine. So these are the benefits of Shatavari. Shatavari is a coolant medicine. So if you are having any disorders of blood, if you are having any skin disorders also, this Shatavari will help you more. And if you are having any dryness in your body, roughness in your skin, then this medicine will be very effective in by daily using. Its roots are mainly used. These roots are boiled with milk and it is consumed. And nowadays it is getting in so many forms, in powder forms, granules forms, gulam, gritam, and so many forms, churna and etc. So many forms are available. And for ladies, if their estrogen levels are high, then those people can take this Shatavari in first 14 days only. Rest of all can take this medicine, but also while you are taking any of the Ayurvedic products, you should consult with your Ayurvedic doctor. That may be good. So these are the details about it's a good medicine for acidity also. Acidity means pitta sambandha, pitta related for diseases also, this medicine will be very much effective. So these are the details of Shatavari, and if you are having any doubts, please do put in the comment sections, and if you are having any suggestions also, you can put in the comment sections. So thank you.